In this problem, we're supposed to factorize common variable from first two terms. Common variable for these two terms is m. Inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have a plus b. In next two terms, the common variable is n. I'm going to factorize it. And I have a plus b. The common factor for these two terms is a plus b. I'm going to factorize it. I'm going to have a plus b. And inside the parentheses, the second pair of parentheses, I'm going to write everything whatever left. I have m plus n. And this is the solution to my problem. Anytime you have a problem like this, you're supposed to look at the numbers first and factorize the common factor if this is possible. The common factor for 12, 8, 6, and 4 is 2. That's why I'm going to factorize 2 first. Okay, and I'm going to have inside of the parentheses 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Next, I'm supposed to check what I can factorize from the expression which is inside of the parentheses. I'm going to copy down 2, and I have 6x cubed minus 4x squared. I can factorize from these two terms 2x squared. And inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have 3x minus 2 plus, and I'm going to write inside of the parentheses whatever left. I have 3x minus 2. Please notice that I have common factor for these two terms. I have 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. Remember, anytime there is no sign at the front of the parentheses, there is always invisible 1. That's why I'm going to rewrite this expression as 2, open parentheses, factorize 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, and I'm going to have 3x minus 2. And inside of the parentheses, second pair of parentheses, I'm going to write everything whatever left, 2x squared plus my invisible 1. Can you rewrite this problem because this is multiplication without these extra parentheses? I'm going to have 2, open parentheses, 3x minus 2, 2x squared plus 1. And this is the solution to my problem.